Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to another kit lineup. I can't believe I'm pulling November kits already. This is absolutely bonkers to me. In my head I had that I was going to need to use loads of Christmas kits in November because I have quite a few. But I forgot I'm using 2 planners, so actually I don't, which is nice. So without any further ado, let's get into November kit lineup. It's a bit of a random one this month, to be honest. So we are starting off on the 4th with just a nice autumn kit, and we are going with Full Cabin. This is from the Plannerface Advent last year, and it's super cute. Oops, just dropping everything here. So these are your full boxes. I just love like this quintessential autumn theme. Super cute. I love that little sign. Oh, and I love like the paler colours with the brighter colours. I just think they're going to mix really well. Absolutely stunning. So that's your main kit, and then you have the deco page. You've got some washi icons that came with the Advent, and you've got the 15mm washi. You've got some fashion people and some toolbox fashion people, and then we have the box add-on and the glitter add-on there. So that is the kit, and then as it came with this, I felt like I should honour the Plannerface Advent and use the foil bundle it came with. So this is the Plannerface. By the way, I do PR for Plannerface. You can save 10% by using Tilly, and you get an extra freebie for doing so. Or in a sale, you can just mention me in the notes to seller for a freebie as well. Anyway, so this is the box overlays. You've got your bougie, and then you've got your washi, toolbox and scripts. At the bottom of your bougie you do get the icons as well, just there, but I will not be using that bougie because I'm going a little bit, not rogue. I'm very excited for this. I am going for solid. I don't know why my printer printed weirdly, but they're just for me, so I'm just using these. So we're going for this orange. It is shattered glass, but once the full box is on top, because it is matte, but I think that works really well because like look how much that now matches that colour. Like that's insane to me, like how close it is. So yeah, that's the plan. We have these tartan there over the orange things. By the way, again, because it's just for myself, it miscut, but it didn't actually cut through the first time. So there are those lines. I can't even show you because I can't pick it up. But yeah, there's only one of them is actually a cut line. The other is just there. So yeah, it's a thing. It's fine. It's all fine. It might be interesting when I come to do the kit, especially this page. This page is not great, but it's fine. It's just for myself, so I don't mind using very oops things, which that is. But that is the vision. I am really excited. I'm feeling very autumnal today, so yeah, it's just, oh, I'm so excited for these autumn spreads. So because I'm still back planning in August, so yeah. Moving on to the week of the 11th in my memory planner, we are gonna go into this Stormy Nights kit from Press. This was the August mystery. I want to say it was last year, and we are just going to celebrate the fact that really autumn is more rain. So you've got your 4 boxes there, and this is the rest of the kit. I feel like that is not going to be enough deco for me, but we'll see. And it's very blue with some greens thrown in. You've got some extra boxes there, yeah, extra little things. You've got the storm like forecast on your phone there, and then lots and lots of fashion people and the doggo there. Foil wise, I thought I'd stay relatively simple, and so foil bundle wise I am just going with a sparkle in hollow. It's just very simple press again, just foil bundle. It actually came with silver foil, which I nearly went with, but I decided not to in the end. I decided to go hollow. I don't really know why, I don't know, it just makes me think of rain a bit more hollow. And then for underlays, rather than using the underlays in the foil bundle, we are doing something a bit more fun, and so we have solid hollow there, and we are going to lay it on top of these rain underlays from my shop in ice blue. And look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I'm really excited for this. I think it will be a really stunning foil combination. Yeah. By the way, this paper here is not the paper I use for my shop. This paper is. You can see the difference in it, like the colour and stuff. And I just do use, like, if things are oops, I don't remake them for myself, I just use the oops. So that is for the week of the 11th. Moving on to the week of the 18th of November, this is the week that Wicked, the film comes out. I love Wicked the musical, so I'm celebrating this in my planner and using this Scribble Prints Co. Wicked kit. This is exclusive art and is based on the movie, obviously. So they're your full boxes. There's no real deco in the kit, so you've just got loads of shapes there with the kit colours. You've got these 2 extra boxes there, little things, and your boxes, pages. And then I decided to get the Alphabet and Glinda scribblers just for this kit, because I just thought that would be really, really cute. And I love it because they're like, yeah, I think it's really clever how she's done that. And I also did decide to get the extra colour of the green. I just thought it would bring another like element into the kit that I thought would work really well. Then you do get these 2 boxes which are perfect for quotes, but I probably won't use. And then this gorgeous floral box here, and your bottom washi. So because it's Yellow Brick Road, I decided to go properly Yellow Brick Road. So we are using generally gold foil, and we're just keeping it simple so the art can speak for itself. Let's just change my lighting a little bit with this confetti bundle from Plannerface. So you've got your full boxes, your bougie. Again, I won't be using the bougie because I'm going a little bit rogue. And then we've got the bottom washi there. And then for my underlays, I am going solid gold with this pink rose overlay, and just look at it. Like, it's literally a Yellow Brick Road. Oh, I'm just obsessed. I think it's really cute. I really love that idea. I'm sorry, but it's a Yellow Brick Road. Like, what? Is that not just perfect for a Wicked kit? Is it me, or is it just perfect? Because I think it's perfect. Please ignore my bad cutting. I'm having, last but not least, the week of the 25th of November, which is Black Friday week. We are starting into Christmas, basically because I have 8 Christmas kits and there are 4 Christmas weeks in December, and I was like, oh, but I want to be able to buy some Christmas kits this year. So I'm starting off strong with this Groovy Christmas from Strawberry Lime Designs. Sadly, Strawberry Lime Designs is now shut, which is really, really sad, but is what it is. She has had a great kit format. I did also get the 15mm add-on with this, and I just love the grooviness of this. It's super cute. And there's your deco and your date covers, and then you've got some fashion people and stuff there. Foil wise, I am going for a mixed metal rose and matte, it's not matte gold, it's matte bronze. I think it brings in the pink of the kit, plus just like a bit more neutral and a bit more Christmassy. I don't know, I feel like it is quite Christmassy, this. So you've got your 2 pages of full boxes, you've got the shimmer underlays, but I won't be using those. You've got your icons and deco, and you've got your bottom washi. I then have some extras in those things, so I'll just use whatever. Lots and lots of extras there. Then I've also pulled in some rose gold extras. So we've got these Christmas boxes with some Christmas headers. I've got these boxes, and then I've got some Christmassy headers and stuff there I thought I'd pull in. And then for underlays, we are sticking with the groovy theme rather than the Christmas theme. And I have this like matte gold that is, it's not the same colour as matte bronze, it's like much more gold, less bronze. But I thought that with the rose groovy pattern over the top would just look amazing with this kit. Honestly, I'm so excited about all my foil like pairings. So that is for the week of the 25th, and that is it for my main memory planner, except there is a chance that my sister is going to have an early C-section for her baby. Her baby is due in January, so if it is born in November, it will be 32 weeks is the earliest they will be could be looking at doing a C-section. We don't know yet. So I do have this kit lined up ready for the week that she gives birth and she has a C-section. If she, yeah, I'm not going to go into it because it's not my information to share, but she might need an early C-section. That's all I'm going to say. So I have this baby kit ready for if she does give birth this week in the month of November, or whenever she gives birth. This will be the kit I am using in my main planner. It is quite an old one. It's really, really cute, like neutral but rainbow. You can tell by the kit format how old this is, but I'm sure I will manage. So you've got, I'm not even gonna look too much at the format because oh god, icons on little things. This is gonna be so hard to use, I think, but I will manage because I do have it's so old the box add-on didn't exist. I got the glitter add-on. That's bonkers to me. Oh my gosh. So foil wise, I am using a mixture of gold and rainbow. So I have this Sweet Dreams baby cress press kit. So you've got that there. Like, just look how cute this is. So this is just standard cress press, but I didn't get the bougie with it, so I do just have some bougie pulled in because I will be using the bougie for once. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer gold bougie with rainbow. So then I've got just leftovers of rainbow kits. So I've got this one in star format, I've got a couple of pages of that, this one in a different format, confetti by the looks of it, and then I've got 2 pages of scripts and icons and 1 set of bottom washi, which is absolutely fine because I'll be using both. And then I have these 3 sheets of different rainbows, so this is a different rainbow to this one, but none of my rainbow foils foil very well. It's really sad, but yeah, I'm doing rainbows. So yeah, so they'll be layered on top. Why haven't I actually, this is the first one I haven't actually prepped, so let's grab a sticker and just show you over the bougie. There's the bougie page here, and just line that up, cute, there. So it's a little bit more subtle than, come on, focus please, yeah, there we go. It's a little bit more subtle than using a solid underlay, but I just felt like, yeah, I want to celebrate my sister having her baby and my niece or nephew being born. She is not going to find out the biological sex of her baby until it is born, so that's there. So that is for the week of my sister giving birth. Moving on now to my off-camera planner. You don't see these weeks get planned, but I will share a flip through at the end of the year of all of the spreads. So we are back to the 4th of November and we have this Cottage Witch kit. This is an old mystery kit. Is that not quite as old as the Rainbow Baby format, but it is an older format. So this is there. This is just it's kind of autumnal, but kind of anytime. And I just felt like it worked for this week. So we are going with it. It is super cute. We have these extra boxes there, the 15mm, some extra skin tones. We've got this witchy scene in there on the mystery add-on. We have the glitter add-on and the box add-on. And then foil wise, for those of you that don't know, I do just use a foil bundle. I don't do underlays or anything. Well, I just do like bougie or whatever in my off-camera planner. So I'm using this Pink Diamond Planner butterflies. I don't know why, I just felt like it worked and the colour is perfect, so we are going with it. So you've got these different boxes, you've got a map page, you've got your headers and bottom washi, your script and icon page, and then 2 pages of the bougie. So that is just nice and simple for the week of the 4th of November. Moving on to the week of the 11th of November, we have Perfectly Imperfect from Plannerface. This is a super cute kit, and it's clip art kits for art, and I really like it. I just felt like, I don't know, I just wanted something in this week, and I didn't know what it was, and I felt like this was just a really good week to celebrate our individuality and being perfectly imperfect. So here are your 4 boxes, littles page, your bottom washi, extra boxes there, your 1/4 and half boxes, ombre heart check boxes and things. Then you've got different skin and hair tones there and there, the deco sheet, 15mm add-on, and then the box add-on. And again, I just wanted to keep things simple with this, and I am sticking with a Plannerface foil bundle in this sparkle in silver. I just think that's super cute. So you got those 2 pages there, you've got your bougie and your icons, and your bottom washi scripts and date covers. And yeah, I just think that'd be nice, like nice little simple kit for in November, just to, I don't know, use an anytime kit really. Then the next week is the week of Wicked coming out, so I am again celebrating that. I do have 2 copies, look at this bunch. I have 2 copies of this kit because it is super old and I don't know how I'm going to manage with it. So we will see. It is Knish Jess R. It is very old. So here we have the kit. As I've said, I have 2 copies of each page. So please just accept that as I'm flipping through. I love this full box here. But look how old this format is. It's actually ridiculousness. So funny to me how old this format is. But yeah, I love Wicked. So I bought this ages ago, and then I bought a second copy, not realising I already had a copy. So you got the bottom washi, and then I've only got I've got 2 of these bows, but I've only got 1 of the glitter add-on thing, so that's there. And again, I felt like with Wicked you had to go gold because it's yellow brick gold yellow brick road, you know. So I've just got this simple Scribble Prints Co. Kit foil bundle. That's the words I'm looking for. So that is for the week of the 18th of November. And then again, similarly, I am going into Christmas kits for the week of the 25th of November, and we have last year's Christmas in July freebies. So this I got all of the freebies, so I'll just go over what I've got. So I've got a standard vertical kit, which is these, well, you've got some extra boxes there. Then this was the all orders freebie. This is part of the kit, and so that's that kit. Then I got the glitter add-on as the £75 freebie. Then I got the mini kit as well, which was the £50 freebie. So you've got this box of this here. This is the mini kit format. And then as for foil, again, I'm keeping it relatively simple. It's quite a neutrally kit, so I have just gone with a mixed metal matte bronze matte silver in glimmer format from Crest Press. So they're your full boxes, your extra boxes, and your headers, your bottom washi and things, your script and icons, and your bougie. And that is the last kit for this video. No, it's not. No, it's not. We have the extra if my sister has to give birth kit for my my off-camera planner, and I'm keeping it nice and simple. And I've just got this Baby Magic kit from Scribble Prints Co. It is a Disney Magic kit. It is only a mini kit, so I don't know how I'm going to go on with that. I do have this add-on box. Like, how old are these formats? Seriously, I need to get rid of these old kits. So that's partly why I'm using it, because I love it. But yeah, I'm going to really struggle with that format. We'll see what happens. I'll probably make myself some extra bits. And then I do have this heart foil bundle from Plannerface in hollow, as you can see it there. So you've got your 2 pages of your full boxes, 2 pages of your bougie and icons, and then your bottom washi. I just felt I'm gonna love my niece or nephew, and so that made sense. So that's there. And now that is all of my November kits. So that is it for this video. So we have 2 Scribble Prints Co kits, 4 Plannerface kits, a Crest Press kit, and a Strawberryland Designs kit for the actual month of November. And then our extras are a Plannerface kit for my filming planner and a Scribble Prints Co kit for my off-camera planner. So that is it for this video. Which kit foil pairing are you most excited for? Honestly, I'm a bit obsessed with my foil pairings this month. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Comment like down below if we're twinning on any weeks. The only week I think I will be twinning with people is potentially the Wicked week here, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching this video. Comment, like down below, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!